how to fix your Google account will be deleted in 29 days. So if you want to fix your Google account will be deleted in 29 days, then let's get started. When you see the message that your Google account will be deleted in 29 days, it typically means that your age requirements do not match. This usually happens if you are below the age of 13. Google requires that you update your account to meet the age requirement. For younger children, parents can create and manage a Google account using Family Link. For all countries not listed below, 13 is the minimum age to manage your Google account. If you are below 13, this issue might arise. However, if you are above 13, you can definitely tap on Update Age or update your account to meet the age requirements, which will be right here under Disabled Account Due to Age Requirement. You can just simply tap on Update Your Account to meet age requirements and then update your age. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.